A breakthrough product in the fruit picking industry. Among the characteristics of this machine, which has been developed in the technological incubator of Yozmot HaEmek, a dramatic increase in the harvesting efficiency in comparison to that produced from manual hand picking. About this new technology for olive harvesting in this report by Anat Linda.
This is the way that manual harvesting is done. And this is the way that harvesting will look after the development of this harvesting machine.
عندما ينتهي تطوير ماكينة القطف الخاصة هذه.
The overall scope of the olive industry in Israel is about 225,000 dunam. The financial scope of the olive industry alone is averaged perennially at 8,000 tons, and that means 250 million shekel. The agricultural field in the world in general, and in Israel in particular, has been deeply affected by the increase in the price of manual harvesting labor and in a lack of trained workers. In the Western world, this increase has dramatically decreased the overall profits and has made the manual harvesting no longer worth it. The bottleneck of the industry is the harvesting. During the harvesting season, we have to organize over 3,000 workers. I have a grove of my own. Often, when I finish working in my own grove, and there is work elsewhere, I like working in other groves. The unique harvesting machine that was developed in the Yozmot HaEmek technological incubator was invented in order to protect the relative advantage of the modern farmer through a technical solution which reduces the number of working hands. This new equipment combines technology in the fields of computers, robotics, hydraulics, and mechanics. This machine gives the performance of several machines combined. What differentiates this machine from others is the ability to change shaking patterns while working. This capability does not exist elsewhere in the market. Research is constantly evaluating ultimate shaking methods, durations, and patterns. The purpose being to increase and maximize the harvesting efficiency. The result was the development of 15 different shaking methods that can be closely monitored by a dedicated computer program.
The computer directly controls the hydraulic system. Each hydraulic motor is controlled separately. This way, we are able to change the shaking pattern.
The harvesting of one tree takes about 15 minutes. This percentage or duration is a remarkable improvement in comparison to the traditional harvesting methods whose efficiency is dramatically less. From evaluations of the machine done thus far, detachment ratios are about 93 to 95%, in comparison to 70 to 80% resulting from regular conventional machines. It is important to point out that the markets of many countries are open to the introduction of the new machine. The overall marketing potential in the international marketplace reaches $3 billion. In Spain alone, there are 25 million dunams, and only 30% of them are harvested by machinery. They are therefore looking for such a machine. We accordingly wish the best of success to this development that will not only enable the modern farmers to regain their advantage, but will allow them to spend more time relaxing.